Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shivangi from Garden Wise. In today's video, I will show you how I recycled some simple papers into these beautiful and colorful ones. Here, I want to add one thing. Please value these papers because we sacrifice our precious trees for them. These papers should must go for recycling. Doing so, we are contributing towards afforestation, and please try to adopt no or less paper culture. So, without any further ado, let's dive in. Wait, if you want such more videos, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Firstly, watch the procedure how I made these colorful papers, and at last I will share some of my failures and of course some useful tips for quick and better paper making.
Take any old book, notebook, or you can also use newspapers. Here I am using some pages of this filled notebook to recycle them. Cut them into small pieces and try to cut them as small as you can. Because small pieces of papers soaks water quickly. Now, drench them into water for at least 4 hours, and if you are using thick papers, then try to soak them for a day. After 4 hours, these papers have soaked enough water. As you can see, I can easily mash these papers with my hands. Now, we will make pulp out of these papers. Churn them into grinder up to this consistency. Now, choose a container in which you can completely dip your sieve or chunni. Start making papers, add some pulp into water and mix them well. Now take your sieve and drain out pulp from water. Drain off excess water. You have to wait for at least 2 minutes at this stage. Now take any sponge and soak out excess water. After soaking excess water with a sponge, take any towel and apply pressure as I am doing. Now again wait for 5 minutes and after then remove towel very slowly. For flipping, use any smooth or flat surface. Here, I am using one cotton bedsheet. Again, after 5 minutes, take any object and apply some jerk so that paper will come off easily. As you can see, half of the paper had already came out. Don't rush, flip out the paper very gently. Now we will make second paper. If while making paper you notice that your paper are coming out thin, then add more pulp. If you don't have sponge, then you can use towel to soak excess water. Remove the towel very slowly. If you want to dry out excess water quickly, then do as I am showing. The texture of perfect paper should be like this. Now let's make some colorful ones. Here I am using fabric color. The process of making colorful papers is exactly same. While dipping, you will notice that color has gone fade, but after drying, you will notice that color is more visible. To drain water quickly, you can also place them in direct sun. Now, here I am using these colored water with new colors to create new colored papers. Here I am using green color with some pink to create purple effect. Now, here I am using pouring technique. I noticed that paper made from this technique is more thick. If you don't have these colors, you can use turmeric as I am using. Now, here I am using some garden's discarded items like dry flowers or leaves. Chop these yellow leaves into very tiny pieces. Now, mix them well and make paper as you are making. And now I am going to use some dried flowers. And paper made from these dried flowers are my personal favorite. Now, I am using some threads. These are also very popular.
So here are some tips for successful paper making. Tip number 1. It takes your patience and time. Each paper takes 10 to 15 minutes in making. Tip number 2. In beginning, make thick papers. I mean to say, use more pulp because thick papers are easy to flip. Tip number 3. There should be at least 5 minutes of gap between dipping and flipping. Tip number 4. Towels works better than sponge. Tip number 5. If you are using food colors to dye these papers, use more food colors because these food colors are washable. Tip number 6. Most important. Save water because why not? Tip number 7. If after flipping your paper is not even, then wait for 5 minutes and after that make it even. That's it for this video. Hope you liked it. And I'm going to organize online paper making workshops. If you want to join, DM me on Instagram. The link for my Instagram is in description box. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and share it with your friends because summer vacations are here and almost all of us are in lockdown. So do try paper making and don't forget to tag me on Instagram. Like this video and please subscribe my channel. Comment down below what you want to see next. Until then, happy gardening. Bye bye.